A mysterious, futuristic background. A slow-motion shot of the Fold 7 unfolding, revealing its stunning display with a smooth glow transition. Mobile phone. Samsung's revolutionary glow effect. Imagine a world where your device transitions effortlessly between screens, where technology feels natural, fluid, and alive. Samsung's latest Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 bring a groundbreaking glow animation, first seen in the S25 series, now fine-tuned for foldables. Fire flawless lock-to-home transition with One UI 8, the lock screen seamlessly fades into the home screen, creating a mesmerizing visual shift. The new S7 style wallpapers aren't just for aesthetics, they redefine how we interact with technology. Rocket design beyond limits. Samsung has taken foldables to the next level. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 sports an even larger display, razor-thin bezels, and an enhanced hinge mechanism, making it smoother, stronger, and more refined. Camera innovation at its best. Equipped with a 200MP sensor, Fold 7 delivers unparalleled photography, AI-enhanced night mode, and super-stabilized 8K video recording, turning your phone into a true content creation powerhouse. Lightbulb. Flip 7 compact, yet smarter than ever. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 introduces a full-view screen, designed for maximum visibility and intuitive interactions. Say goodbye to traditional compact screens. Samsung has revolutionized how foldables function in everyday life. High-voltage AI-powered performance and battery optimization. Galaxy AI built on Android 16 and One UI 8 adapts to your usage, optimizing battery life, performance, speed, and real-time app interactions. It's not just smart, it's intelligent. Satellite antenna. The future of connectivity. Stay connected wherever you go. The Flip 7 and Fold 7 feature 5G RC, ensuring stronger network signals and faster data speeds. Plus, next-gen satellite messaging keeps you in touch, even in the most remote locations. Movie camera exclusive. Samsung Unpacked reveal. July 2025. Samsung is gearing up for its biggest foldable launch ever, with the Galaxy Unpacked event expected mid-July. The venue? New York, where Samsung aims to reshape the US foldable market and dominate mobile innovation. Detective leaked features and speculations. Rumors hint at motion tracking AI, gesture control enhancements, and new interactive widgets designed specifically for foldables. Could we see a wrist camera concept in future iterations? Only time will tell. Stunning aerial shots of Fold 7 in various environments, business meetings, adventurous hikes, creative workspaces. Fast-paced transitions showcasing its adaptability.